Hello! I would like to welcome you to your first day of summer camp. And, well, I'll start off with my name's Brittany Castro. I am helping out with the summer camp. I'll be the one messaging you, letting you know what you should be working on for the day. And I will also be looking over your photo submissions. And remember, that's how you're going to get your points. So then at the end of the summer camp, we're able to do a raffle with everyone's submissions. So as long as you keep submitting, that's a raffle ticket for you for that particular day. So I'm going to go over this, our summer camp website with you really quick. The first thing, once you get on there, you're going to see is our photo submission. And this is where you're going to click. And this is how you're going to fill or submit your photo for the day. So once you get done with your first assignment for today, then you're going to come on here, type in your first and last name, and then you're just going to add whatever picture you're going to be adding, and then you just hit submit. Also on the camp website, I have instructions on how to actually submit the photo and along with how to do it off of your phone as well if that's more easier for you. So take a look at that video. It makes things easier. And each day I will be updating over here under projects. So each day I'll be adding your next day's worth of projects. So for today you will have a popsicle stick catapult that you have to work on, and just make sure you follow the instructions that we have available for you. There's an instructional video as well, so make sure you check that out. And we listed our contact information again over here just in case if you need us. And we also have a Instagram page, so go ahead and take a look at that. We're going to start posting on that more than likely today. A few other things to keep in mind is if you haven't already, please make sure you accept the remind email, or not email, text message. I'm sorry. Please make sure you go and check and make sure you got a text message from Remind and just go through their whole process so then I can start texting you the instructions instead of emailing you. It'll just be a quick text message. Every day my goal will be to email you or text you by 9:30 in the morning. So keep a lookout for that. Another thing is we will have an open office time for everyone Monday through Thursday from 12 o'clock from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. That is when we will have that. I'll make sure to update the website so then it'll show a Google Calendar and it'll even have what you're supposed to be working on for the day, just in case if you need an extra reminder. And also the link to our open office time will be on this front page as well. So just keep a lookout for that. I'll be updating it right now. And we will be having, oh, there we go. So we also have our summer hour, summer hours are Monday through Thursday from 9 to 5. And then Friday through Sunday, our campus is closed. So we won't be sending you text messages or anything Friday through Sunday. So those days you could totally have off. Or if you want, you could play with the Legos, have fun with your kit. If you do end up doing extra things, send us pictures of it and even include a message saying, hey, this is what I made, or hey, this is what I did. We'd love to see those kinds of things. And if you have any questions or if you need any help, make sure you reach out to us, join us on that office time. It's not required for you to join or anything, but if you want to come in, say hi to me and Maria, we would be more than happy. So I look forward to seeing all of your submissions. Bye.